Hey everybody, so I'm going to be explaining the process behind my sports greatest of all time. I'm using this kind of in the context of like Toad is being inducted into the Hall of Fame for all of the races that he's won. So all of these clips I recorded off of point of view YouTube videos, and as you can see, they're just all clips of Toad, kind of in his point of view. And then I drug those all into the bottom. And the cool thing about iMovie is that it comes with features like audio and titles, which you select up here. So I selected a pre-selected audio. It sounds like this. And then you drag that down to the bottom and you can fit it to the amount of time. You can either drag it or expand it. And then it also has a cool titles thing, so you can pick the different titles, and I just picked one. I said welcome to the Racing Hall of Fame, and then it cuts to the video. Cool thing, there's also backgrounds and transitions that you can also use between your clips. So yeah, that is how I created this part of my final project.